Hi, this is Ashfaq Khan, and in this video I'm going to tell you how can you use Chat GPT for your accounting task so that it can help you. So this is the list of customers, this is the credit sale, VAT output, gross amount, so these are the totals. And similarly then I have cash sales with VAT, suppliers, credit purchases, and this is cash purchases. Now let's go to the Chat GPT and ask different tasks so that we can understand how can we use the Chat GPT, and then we will cross match that as well. So just copy this all data and we are going to go to Chat GPT. This is free version, and paste over here and then write please create VAT control account for me and just press yes. Now if you see over here, it is creating VAT control account, total amount of VAT output, and this is the VAT control account, total VAT output, VAT input. This is your 355 minus 345, so it is showing credit balance of 10 dirham or dollar. So let's check over here. So 345. So this means that Chat GPT has correctly showed us the VAT control account, which is 355 is our VAT output, minus VAT input is 345, and 10 dirham or $10 is our credit balance in our VAT control account, which means that it is the liability that we have to pay to the government. Alright, now let's check few more reports. Just either you can copy it again or you can do it separate as well. Just paste it and ask, rather than pasting again, let's ask it here without. Okay, please generate the sales report and enter. Let's see. Wow, so here is our total sales, with this the total VAT amount and this is the gross amount. Exactly, you can cross check from here as well. So that's correct. Okay, now let's go and ask please generate purchase report for us. So you can see that we are getting, and VAT input is for 345, we are getting purchase report. Wow, again wow. So now let's go one further step and ask please generate profit and loss account for us. Now here you can see that sales revenue, cost of purchase. We can ask please generate profit, and or we can say that income statement in detail. Let's see. Wow. Okay, please provide details for vendors payable and customers receivable with name. So let's see. You can see that. So this is how it is working. It is so far doing very well, but you need to be very careful. You need to have your own knowledge as well to cross check. Just don't blindly go for it. You have to have cross check, and that's it. I'm gonna release more videos on this as well in coming days. So thank you very much. Take care, stay blessed, have a nice day.